In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get row numbers or indexing in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to add another skill to your repertoire, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening the Tableau public app. You'll want to ensure you're using the most up-to-date version to access all the current features. Once you've launched the app, navigate to your worksheet. This is the canvas where you'll manipulate your data, making it meaningful and easier to interpret. First, we need to bring our data into focus. Drag the subcategory field over to the rows shelf. This action organizes your data by subcategories, giving clarity and structure to your information display. Next, you'll want to add another layer of information. Drag the sales field onto the text shelf. This addition displays the sales figures for each subcategory, providing an insightful numeric perspective to your dataset. Now, let's create a calculated field to introduce indexing. Click on the drop-down arrow in the menu and choose Create Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear. Name this field Index. In the calculation area, simply type Index D. This function will introduce a dynamic index to your dataset. Once done, click OK to save and close the dialog. With your index field created, it's time to bring it into play. Drag the new index field into the rows shelf. You'll be prompted to make a choice about how this information is displayed. Select Discrete to show this index as individual numbers aligned with each row. This step provides a clear, ordered numbering of your data entries, making it much easier to analyze in terms of sequence or size. To dive deeper, add another field for categorization. Drag Category into the rows shelf as well. This will stack each subcategory under its respective category, giving a hierarchy to your data visualization. Next, let's refine how the index calculates. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the index field and select Compute Using. This option will allow you to specify how the index should evaluate your data. Choose Subcategory to ensure each index recalculates based on subcategory entries rather than categories as a whole. By following these steps, you bring your Tableau visualization skills to a new level. Using the index method not only clarifies your data, but provides a new dimension of analysis to better understand trends and hierarchies within your dataset. Now, with indexing at your disposal, you're equipped to create more engaging and informative Tableau dashboards. Happy visualizing!